And the race on Doomstead from the outside is Andorra. Double O in the middle, running down on the inside is Dr. Choice. Cool reception also rushing up. Doomstead, Dr. Choice, Andorra, Cool Reception. And the outstanding favorite, Double O, is racing in fifth from the outside. Fabiola is racing in sixth by some 6 lengths. Mike's Dancer is running by the rail. Dr. Choice now the leader. Doomstead, Double O is racing on the outside. Cool Reception, Andorra. Rounding the far turn, Dr. Choice, Doomstead, Double O is racing on the outside. Dr. Choice by Hapaland, Doomstead is racing on the outside. Double O, Cool Reception, Andorra, Mike's Dancer, Fabiola, Flying Minstrel, and Abasta second last and number 1. Invincible Inks running at the tail of the pit as they race the final corner. Doomstead in the middle. Double O is on the outside. Dr. Choice. Cool Reception down on the inside. But Doomstead still the leader. Double O opted to run down on the inside. And nearing the finish line. Doomstead, Double O. And finally, Doomstead, Double O. Dr. Choice, Cool Reception, Andorra, and Fabiola. For your Super Sais.
Yun ang